Hello, my name's Bill Johnson, VP of Technology here at Tech International. I'm here today to introduce Tech's heavy-duty premium tire sealant. This is a true heavy-duty product that outperforms in every category. Tested 9 different brands of tire sealants, some that you may be buying today and some you may never even heard of. For this test, we do 5/16 inch injuries. We place 4 injuries per tire, and tires are run up to 20,000 miles depending on the performance of the sealant. It is easy to apply. First step is to work the air from the hose, so we're purging the system, and then we attach it to the valve stem. And again, easy to apply, doesn't clog, flows very easily into the tire. Been tested in cold conditions and at temperatures to 30 below zero. TPTS is available in 4 sizes. TPTS 5, which is a 5-gallon bucket. TPTS 32, 32-ounce bottle. TPTS 55, a 55-gallon drum. And TPTS 275, a 275-gallon tote. I'm Bill Johnson, and I approve this product for the Tech brand. Tech tested, Tech approved, available today.